girl left did one gang me chat. I run in a fling lick people. When I come here tell us I straight in the bin, I go for go carry the girl. I drag the girl under the fight. Hey agents, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's a girl Nia back again with another video. So yes, I know but it's supposed to post last week, but as you all can see I did not post anything, so I'm here with the video. So I could have posted last week because some things come up, I never get to come home, so yeah, but okay, whatever. Yeah guys, so basically a video about a story time from my first fight in high school. Anyway, so story time from my first fight in high school. Anyway, so amazing. Okay, so guys, yeah, I changed it. So as I was saying, this video is basically about my first fight in high school. I did like a show one video preview, but I say I ain't gonna do that. Who knows about the fight knows about the fight, because I like that sauce for that, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So it started. Okay, my goodness.
What is that?
Chat. Alright. I'm not too much. Like, I clap more than a woman. Anyways, guys, so before I get right into the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share the video right now. And if you don't want to see, more fights, yeah, and if you want to enjoy the video, let me know down below, okay? I'm saying, you know, I'm gonna drop more bangers. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. Let's go. The fight all started when it was Brazil Day. Yeah, match that player. You know, everybody want to rip for them football team and whatever. So now, Brazil player, yeah, class, never had a keeper, I don't know if class the keeper, whatever. I don't remember, but I just must say, I must the whole school bungled up in the canteen to watch Brazil match. So yeah. Some people can't see my shot, you know. My shot, some couldn't see. Someone say, alright then. I'll get a chair. So I go in the canteen and I see one chair. Round the cashier part. Me and my friend at the time did it. And I see one something around the cashier part. So I go feet and I say, alright, I'm stand up on this, because you know, rotate. So I stand up on the chair for try to see the match on the TV. Then them big old jumping level grade girl there, you know. I come say, oh, give me the chair, rotate, because I'm my chair and this and that and this and that. So I say, are these girls okay?
I'm not okay.
Like, are y'all good? But anyways, not good. So no, what I got this. So yeah, someone say, are you guys okay? Are y'all good? Like, in a sense, may I tell the chat that guys them time that I did face them. I'm still facing about like get up on a level, but them time that if you say A, must say B.
Oh, scary.
But anyway, so at the time now, we stand up on chair. Like them stand up on the railing, me stand up on. I go up on the table because remember some shots, you know, some more. Make sure say if none for them, we can kick somebody in the face. You understand?
Who are you?
So now there, I'm here in there because I'm shot, you know. So you know, say one time and my voice squeaky, so I start cuss now. You know, say everybody. So now the on table and you know, me ring up my head and rotate, and the girl them a tutu with me. So they tutu. Then now, the one girl who I call my mother, yeah, we got Gally she. But anyways, yeah, she you know, she come over and she say, yo, Nia, yo, not pay them no mind, no come outside and come out of the canteen, rotate, yeah. And load it. So we say alright then, we'll come out of the canteen. We come out of the canteen now, and me and my friend at the time were out there. And we sit down on the bench them and sing. And like we did and we did calm down. We did calm down actually because I said I'm gonna eat that irritated, they might eat that or whatever. So they don't know sit down upon the bench, the bench, remember correctly. I might tell the girls say yo, let's relax, them can't even irritate. Then now the girl guys, tell me now. Only see we walk away from the fight. Only see we walk away from the fight. I wanna come. So, anyways, we go outside, We go outside for avoid this thing, For avoid this thing. Then the big 8th-grader girl them. At the time I think was 13 or something. But them big 8th-grader girl, 11th-grader girl them, which them supposed to be 16, 17 up in them region there. You understand? Come outside, walk with them, come outside. And them stand up at the canteen door when we did. So basically, so the canteen door there. Yeah, so the bench them there right here, so we don't have space there, so but a step for coming on the bench them. So we're sitting on the bench them, the canteen door now, and they must be over there run up them more. I never pay them at mine, cause me I say, man I go pay them mine, cause once someone touch me make good, isn't it? But now, this my friend at the time, she stopped me there. What she do? I think she stand up and one of the girl them come down and say, oh, yada, go, your mother right here. Then the guy, I just see my friend at the time, we gonna call her Trixie. Come camera with a friend at the time. I say Trixie, so we had a 7 man, and then Trixie backs the girl, then the girl backs back Trixie, and then come here say, it don't only fear if I'm going there, if fear from them want going there. Understand? Guys, I'm gonna call a while ago. Where was I? Anyway, so as me I say, yeah. So me I say it don't only fear for like me jumping in the fight. If fear the other girlfriend them jumping in the fight and get my friend, understand? So now one big bashment, the girlfriend them come down. So me say, alright then you not going there, so I'm gonna jag her ear. I'm gonna jag the girl ear, I'm gonna jag her out of the fight. Then I say the rest of friend come in. So the girl them carry we out. We just some 11th graders, When them carry we out, the whole of it jump in the fight. So yeah, me I jag the girl. I think I did it. Me I jag her cause the fight it end up that. No, I lie me I tell. So when the girl jump in, what do was my whole lamp on her collar, so I'm start thump in the fight, because the fight turn one little over something, one little London bridge thing, you see me? So more lamp on the girl shirt and me a flinging thump, Me a flinging thump. I didn't even know if they lick her, but at the time when they just, in a fight, I didn't even know if I get licked neither. But me in a fight and yeah. So now, book stop. I drag the girl your tongue under the fight, cause a whole heap of metal is about 13 people a fight. About 13 people a fight, not the one fight. I mean like hear say. But did hear say at the time say people did all come lick people where like people may even know come lick the other girl them. Like them did want to fight the girl them long time, so them come get them it and whatever. So now I drag the girl under the fight. And I jag her pan for like I'm going to carry the girl straight in the bin, go through another bin. Cause one bin they down like only if you go to school you understand me I say. One bin they down pan the flat, but look, but the bench them there it kinda ice up. So me go for jag her in that bin now. But then what happened? Yeah, go for jag her in that bin now. Then the girl grabbing my uniform in a chat. She grabbing my the girl grabbing my uniform and jag me down pan the floor with her. So we did a tussle underneath the fight. Guys. So boops now. Teacher start part right. Then what else happened? Yeah. Then I see one of my friend them. one of my friend them. I have one of the tall or ear tall, the one I tall ear girl them. She take her, she drag her up on the bench and I draw her on the bench, you know, on the bench top a jar. So then now, me did still a while with some other girl, cause you know say I be a girl, some of stuff fling lick and fling thump and whatever. But even guys, to be honest, I don't remember correctly, but I know that fight did intense. It did intense. Because teacher try to part with, them never get for part with. People are video, people are scream, people are running a fling lick, people are do this, people are do that. Yes, sir. But yeah, so now after that now my youth passed off, but at the time, yeah, he was living, obviously that would live, yeah. So him drag me and say, yo, stay here so me now, you know, ready for fly up on him now, you know, with my short self, you know. At the time I tell you now, the dog tall, you know. So at the time now, I'm ready for fly up on him. You want to talk about, oh, you want to fight me too? You want to fight me too? And me really want to fight me, and you really want to fight me too? I'm going to say some more books in the chat. My books, you know. And you must see teacher come run, you know, guys. Teacher come, bully for teacher come run. And I will lamp on my friend at the time. The one on Trixie. Because when Trixie don't fight, you know, I don't know what, whenever they really mates with Trixie at the wall. You know, so Trixie flinging out lick them, flinging out thump them and fight the girl them and yeah, you understand me? So now, but Trixie, I did, you know, I think Arya or Arja. Either Arya or Arja they get set up. I remember exactly. I must say a good while, about 3 years or 4 years back. I get split up or whatever. And yeah. So now, and the fact we done this up. Me hear say after me hear say the girl them did one gang me. Me hear say the girl them did one gang me chat. Gang me no chat. Cause them say them claim to say them never get for beat me up good. But yeah, I'm still standing. But them girl I can't see them long gone. So but like that's like it never when I look on it now that I'm this matured, it never make no sense, guys. Why the hell me have to fight over one cheer? Right, you know? Why the hell me have to fight over one cheer? But anyways, so that's that. But and I know that I'm mature, like guys, me tell you, like I have like you see back then you could talk to me if you said nothing too bad, more like in your face, more fight you. But I'll teach you. But that story's for another video. Well, anyways, yeah. But guys, like must like growth. Like growth is that elevating. Because like must see some things like me I say yo, like some things up mommy I say yo, you know say if I was the little girl that I was before, like them things I would slide like I just feisty, I like take chat. If you say nothing too hard and nobody else here and I feel shame, yeah, I get it man. Like me a person like I could take talk, like I never used to like avoid not like, you know, like I just angry at the whole world, at the whole situation, like I have temper, like, you know. But bro, all this one time when today go for fighting one JUTC. But that's the story for next time. Guys, I'm hoping to enjoy the video. Or whatever. You hopefully enjoy the video. Because I don't know not much. But this was a video. This was like my first fight in high school. Let me explain to you there. Yeah, and like yeah, if you want to hear what I fight them, and can't know. Well, when I fight in a grade 11, I'm gonna plan to fight in a grade 11. I'm fighting in a grade 9, I'm fighting in a grade 10. But when I plan to fight in a grade 11, you see me? I'm fighting in a grade 8. But when I plan to fight in a grade 11, I want to leave high school with a clean slate. Period. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let me know down below if you don't want no more video from me, because not no more video, because all I don't like it or not me I can post my video like hello yeah. So if you don't want to hear more fighting videos, if you want to hear more story times, y'all let me know down below. Kisses, bye, Jen. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you share up the video. Make sure you tell a friend to come subscribe to the channel and like and watch out the video them because I know it's be things. And you're going to be facilities over here. Bye guys. Kisses, love y'all. Me both say make sure you subscribe again, but make sure you subscribe again. Bye.